Okay, in this video, I'm going to be showing you just basic chain wraps. Now, there's a lot of different ways you can do these. You can play around with it a ton of different ways, but I'm just going to be teaching you the basics. So an easy way to start out is to pick a finger that you feel most comfortable with. I like my index, so I keep it on my index usually. Sometimes I'll have it in low grip as well, on my pinky. While you're learning this trick, you don't want the ring to fall off your finger, so you just want to pick a finger and keep it there. While it's rotating, you stick another finger out. A really basic one to do is your middle. So it's a 2-finger wrap. And you just practice this one back and forth. Practice getting your other finger in and out. Practice adding other fingers. And that's how you start getting into wraps. You can go over the back of your hand and grab it in the palm. 2-finger wraps are the easiest one to learn and start getting into. Once you get the hang of this, you can start using the chain and go down different paths. And at this point, it's very Begleri-like. Reminds me of Begleri 100%. The chain is longer, so you have more options than Begleri, so you can get on your thumb and then do your fingers and all that. It's a really unique way to sling. And what's fun about it is you never really drop the ring, so you can experiment without having to drop it. There's tons of different ways to play with this style. So hopefully this gets you into just slinging the chain around and figuring out different paths and exploring new ways of playing with Halo.